Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to create a Vercel account. So if you want to create account, go to Google, search for Vercel account. This is the keyword. Click on this first website here. You will see this page. In this page, just click don't have account, click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you can use Google. Just click Google here and then log in your account. Click continue with your email. From here, just write your email. When you write your email, click your continue with email and then click others. In this case, I want to use my email here. Just click your email. In this section, choose your best email to complete your login or sign up process. When you click your Gmail here, you will see this page. As you can see here, write your name and then click continue. After that, click I am commercial project and then complete your all details, set up your payments and then complete all details. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this